Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are learning Java or preparing for backend development, then Spring Boot is something you must learn. In this video, I'll explain what Spring Boot is, why it is used, and why companies prefer it, in a very simple way. So let's get started. What is Spring Boot? Spring Boot is a framework built on top of the Spring framework. Its main goal is to simplify Spring application development. Earlier, when we used Spring, we had to write a lot of XML configuration, manually configure server, beans, and dependencies, spend more time on setup than on actual coding. Spring Boot removes all this complexity and lets you focus only on writing business logic. Why Spring Boot came into picture? Before Spring Boot, developing a Spring application was time-consuming, configuration-heavy, difficult for beginners. Spring Boot was introduced to reduce boilerplate code, eliminate XML configuration, provide production-ready applications, start applications quickly with minimal setup. In short, Spring Boot equals less configuration plus faster development. Key features of Spring Boot. Keycap 1 Auto Configuration. Spring Boot automatically configures your application based on the dependencies you add. For example, if you add Spring Boot Starter Web, Spring Boot automatically configures Dispatcher Servlet, Embedded Tomcat, Web MVC Setup. You don't need to configure these manually. Keycap 2 Embedded Server. Spring Boot comes with an embedded Tomcat server. This means no need to install Tomcat separately. Just run your application as a Java program. Your app starts on http://localhost 8080. Keycap 3 Starter Dependencies. Spring Boot provides starter dependencies. Instead of adding multiple dependencies, you just add one starter. Example: Spring Boot Starter Web, Spring Boot Starter Datajpar, Spring Boot Starter Security. This keeps your pom.xml clean and simple. Keycap 4 No XML Configuration. Spring Boot uses annotations, Java configuration, no XML files needed crossmark. Everything is annotation-based, which is easy to read and maintain. Keycap 5 Production-ready features. Spring Boot provides health checks, metrics, monitoring, logging. These features help in deploying real-world applications. Spring versus Spring Boot. Let's understand this with a simple comparison. Spring requires manual configuration, XML-based setup, external server needed. Spring Boot, auto configuration, annotation-based, embedded server. That's why Spring Boot is more popular today. Where Spring Boot is used. Spring Boot is widely used in REST APIs, microservices, enterprise applications, banking and financial systems, backend for mobile and web apps. Most companies today prefer Spring Boot plus microservices. Closing and call to action. So this was a simple introduction to Spring Boot. In the next video, we'll learn how Spring Boot works internally. Project structure. First, Spring Boot application. If you found this video helpful, like the video, subscribe to the channel, comment your doubts below. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video, Rocket.